All right, so our question was, Zane has saved $875 per quarter for the past 3 years in a savings account earning 4.2% compounded quarterly. He plans to leave the accumulated savings for 7 years in the savings account at the same rate of interest. How much will Zane have in total in his savings account? How much did he contribute? And how much will be interest? So we'll start off with our timeline, and we will start 3 years ago, which would also be Q1. And we'll move down to today, which would be Q12. And to add the other quarters, with equal payments of $875. And we were going to try and find the present value as of today. Or the future value as of today. Now our interest rate, or IY, is equal to 4.2%, and the compounding period are quarterly. The first time is the period of payments per year times the number of years, which in this case are 4 payments per year times 3 years, which gives us 12. And if we make our list, future value, present value, IY, CY, PY, payments, and the number of payments. Our future value is unknown. Our present value is 0. The IY is 4.2%. Compounding is 4. Our payments per year are 4. Our payments are $875, and we enter that as a negative in our calculator, and the N is 12. When we figure all that out, we get a future value of $11,128 $0.805. We're not going to round this number because he does not take it out of his account. He just reinvests that amount for the next 7 years to find out the final value. So if we're going to find that, we go 7 years in the future or to Q40. Would be future value 2. The number of compounding periods in this case would be 28. The IY and CY stay the same. Our new list is now our present value 2. Future value 2 is still unknown. IY is the same. CY is the same. And N is now 28. New present value is 11,128.805, pardon me. and we enter that in our calculator as negative. And we come out with the future value of 14,908 decimal 64706, which we now round to 14,908.65, which is the final amount that Zane will have in his account at the end of 7 years. To find out how much Zane contributed, which would be question part 2, we will take his $875 payment multiplied by the number of times he's paid it, which is 12, and we arrive at $10,500 for Zane's contribution. The third part to the question, how much interest did he accumulate? If we take our final amount of $14,908.65 and subtract his contribution of $10,500, we're left with the interest accumulated of $408.65. And that is our final answer.